toddlers, let's go for a ride! Cars, trains, and planes. The world is so wide. 41 to 50, buckle up! Here we go! 41, 41, loud red fire engines. We rode down the street. 42, 42, fast blue airplanes. Flying is so neat. 43, 43, bright yellow buses taking us to school. Driving around is super fun. Riding is so cool. Hold your steering wheel. Beep, 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 beep. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Look at me. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We feel great. Red and yellow, green and blue. Riding in the vehicles with me and you. 44, 44, long green trains. Choo-choo on the track. Choo-choo. 45, 45, cool orange boats sailing out and back. 46, 46, fun purple bikes. Pedal with your feet. Driving around is super fun. Riding is so neat. Hold your steering wheel. Vroom, 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 vroom. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Look at me. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We feel great. Red and yellow, green and blue. Riding in the vehicles with me and you. 47, 47, 47, cute pink scooters zooming to the park. 48, 48, big white helicopters flying before dark. 49, 49, shiny black cars driving on the road. 50, 50, 50 giant silver trucks carrying a heavy load. Wow! You counted to 50, we are halfway there. Red light means stop, green light means go. Always wear your seatbelt and travel nice and slow. Look to the left and look to the right. Safety is important from morning until night. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Look at me. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We feel great. Yay! 41 to 50. What a fun ride. See you next time. Bye-bye.